clear tu te chibai ule siam ne ni chak chwa kania tun nai April ni achanga ni som pakhat in kara ko shan rong mon la chan chin tlang pui ilo clear hawang o Planning Commission sang ni som ni zut mam na thok turin an chukhom tun ka thole ni April ni rok sang ni som ni pakhat khan Mizoram Baptist Caution Planning Commission sang ni som ni chu sap upale pubuang hall serkona an chukhom Meeting hi convener Reverend Ephraim Dinmoya General Secretary Nakai Shwaya meeting ko chan le thungai to turte tarlangin Planning Commission sang hi somni in rotna le raman na assembly a halo thlen to de chu assembly role na chuan thirin atlang puin raman na te apom nuwa Planning Commission sang hi somni chu la chat lovin chulmam ngai le siamrem ngai te alo thira alo enzui le tura thua da le thlir that ngai le chol mam ngai te en hotura meeting ko ani thua tarlanga Planning Commission sang ni somni report le rot na changa enzui ngai le chol mam ngai te atarlang bok assembly in thu ada angin Planning Commission sang ni somni in commission report le rot na te a thlir that nuwa assembly executive committee a pompui turin a thlen chhole don ani assembly nomination committee meeting nei ani Tunka ni line ni April ni sari sang ni somni pakhat khan Assembly Nomination Committee meeting sap upale pubuang hall serkona nei ani a tuntum meeting hian Assembly sang ni somni pakhat dorel na in apom tak Planning Commission rot na angin Department shang committee member tura alo rat to chu member rat belle siamrem na anthok ani Planning Commission sang ni somni rot na chuan Assembly Committee lian pathum Central Mission le Service Committee te chu hatibota heti lai hian Department Committee member te ti pun ani thunga Nomination Committee in committee member halo rat sa te chu rat belin siamrem ngai te an siamrem bok Department Committee shanga hian Assembly Nomination Committee hian member som arwat chin to don ani MBKHP in zol nuam biakin saknatan cheng noi khat an pe Karma sani lai ni March ni somthum pakhat sang ni somni pakhat khan Mizoram Baptist Caution Municipal MBKHP Executive Committee meeting chu BCM Chan Mari Committee Hall Lungleya nei ani a meeting hi MBKHP President PPC Lalvo Biki Nakai Shwaya MBKHP Secretary Lalming Moi Chong Thu in report lang pui apebok ani MBKHP Secretary Chuan, India Baptist Women Union IBWE Whitehot President's Summit October sang ni somni pakhat thlatop lamane tura MBKHP ayo in lalming moi chong thu Secretary MBKHP chu kaltur rat ani thule Northeast India Christian Council Women Assembly NEICCWA 14th Biennial Assembly May ni somni pariat achanga ni somthum sang ni somni pakhatane turwa man na siam to chu shileng awanga nakum sang ni somni pania sonani thute NEICCWA Executive Committee na huntur chu alarele don thu he assembly hi MBKHP in BCM biak in venglaya athentur ani thu atarlang bok Anthungai to alang sarji nga BCM veng pui zol nuam biak in kang chu MBKHP chon cheng noi khatin chanpui veni se tin rela anthurel hi bo zui ngalin April ni sari sang ni somni pekhat ni lai ni khan MBKHP ayo chanpui na peturin P Ngurmoi Sailo Executive Committee member chu zol nuama langin akala ani baga hian aizol lama BKHP member P how nunile P baby Juliten anjoy ani kumtina anti chinangin kumin hian NEICCWA chongchai ni chu April ni somni paruk BKHP in khomzana manturin andrela BKHP in khomzan lamang thailo unit te chuan an mani rem chan anga he chongchai ni hi manni se chongchai thupui hi NEICCWA changin don chin ani a he hi BKHP beltina thon chwani se antibok Kumsani somni pani MBKHP rorel na munatan BCM biakin venglun lunglei chuti felani a BKHP venglun unit in rorel hi adol don ani Mission Board meeting le Administrative Committee nei ani Tun karni nga ni April ni riat sang ni somni pakhat khan Mission Board meeting le Administrative Committee meeting nei ani a chomhalama Mission Board meeting nein chonhulama Administrative Committee nei chunzom le ani Mission Board meeting hi sap upale pubuang hola ni in President Reverend Dr. V. Naldinglianan meeting akai shwaya AGS Mission Reverend Dr. C. Vanaldikan report lang pui pe in biale mission field shang changa thulute an ngai to baka sangni somni pakhat achanga sangni somni pani atana Mission Department plan bo zui thei turte anin hobok ani Hemini vek chonhulama Administrative Committee meeting nei zuile ani a President Reverend Dr. V. Laldingliana nakashwaya General Secretary in agenda report lang pui atar lang bok he meeting po hian Planning Commission sangni somni inra manna siamingin Department kalpung thak ngai le siamrem ngai te an thira achulang zela Planning Commission ratna anga kalpung hertz ho turin ra manna an siam ani Longtlai area a ti dum zawle mong bukhwa kang mei torte chanpuina pek anni April ni thum sangni somni pakhat in rinni khan Reverend R Nunzira Executive Secretary Longtlai Reverend K Dosanga Bial the Pastor Longtlai South le Longtlai khopui chunga caution upa pangaten ni somni pasari thathum sangni somni pakhata lo hal mei si nati kan ti dum zaw khwa in somni pasari zat kangral ta chu BCMI in chanpuina cheng singli sanga lanin amuna ankal chanpuina thilpe khi Executive Secretary Office BCM R&D Department BCM Electric Veng Longtlai North Pastor Bial GKP tele hetakal hote thokhom ani a alomom hle ani hemirwal hian mong bukhwa a pu san kema in kangral vekpo Executive Secretary hian chanpuina cheng sang ni alan bok ani Sunday School Seminar ni in Director Christian Education Department le Sunday School Trainer te an fetswak voin le natuk April ni som changa ni som pakhat sang ni som ni pakhat manghian luang mall Pastor Bial Sunday School Seminar BCM biak in Gilid Tanshila Bial chung Sunday School zirtir tu tele puipa te pualin Sunday School Seminar nei ani a he seminar hian Christian Education Department Director Reverend Zaddi Rodingliana Havin Sunday School Trainers te upalal mukima kolni upalal manzwala sailo upa F chasyamale upa V laikhu matibaka resource person pakhat atan Mr. Mayong Longkumar Nagalente ankal naktuk pathiania chamchun zomin ko shang in semdarin hunan manpuyang lungchem Pastor Bial point hemi hun chung vek hian lungchema Sunday School Seminar han neiboka resource person atan Sunday School promoter Rongbol tu B Singh Parile upa PC Vanelrova Sunday School Trainer te an kalbok voinilengin hunan manhua naktuka Bial chung ko shanga hunan manpuyang Parva Pastor Bial Puin Parva Chile Siloa Sunday School Seminar hi mangbokin Sunday School Trainers upa M Thansiamale upa Tila Sangpuyeten an manpuibok chun lama Bial chung Sunday School zirtir tu tele Sunday School shrai tu te hi seminar nei puin in Rindizan pathiani zing le pathiani zana te Bial chung ko shan pania rongbol na an nei chun zomang GKP City Church Unit te chuan thisen unit somni pasari an pe Nithum thali sang ni somni pakhat in rinni khan TKP City Church Unit bungkon te chuan Aizol Civil Hospital amamo apiang te manatan thisen an pe thisen pe tu te hi mi pa somni meichia pasari an vain mi somni pasari an ni GKP City Church Unit thi Aizol Central Pastor Biala Omin GKP member mi pa za somriat le meichia za somrukpali omin an vain zathum somdi pali anom mek ani Molsom namchunga iswa film le lin chu enthein puitlin anita Tripura Field Molsom namchunga le lin iswa film chu GKP S Colony Unit 10 huning emutsen nan lo boy pui nuwa enthein pe fel anita he film hi YouTube pa enthea da ni in Molsom namte jing rongbol na changkai tak ani beisein missionary tele Molsom chalai ten the top choin an buat sai nuwa alo lo ting ta hi alomom hle ani Mission promoter Thar Pu Ti Ngak Sangan na azom veta mission promoter thar pu ti ngak sang chuan April ni riat sang ni somni pakhat atang khan headquarters office na thar azomta mission promoter chuak ta upa HL lian tlang chuan Jubilee Bible School a zirtir na athok thung don ani pu ti ngak sang hi huning emuchen chipura a missionary a omin Yakhili Academy headmaster atho nuwa AICS a missionary training niin chatakin azole a missionary training azo nu hian kumsang ni somni achingin non mizo mission noya Tripuri fellowship aizol chu en kolle ani tuna hian serkon ramzo tlang R&D complex a BCM quarters lo in chungkwa inan khosa ani puk pui kaushan in biakin tharan hong April ni thum sang ni som ni inrin ni khan puk pui kaushan chuan an biakin sak thar chu pathian ne na lanin an hongta biakin honin khom hi chonhudar khatle chanwia nei ni in bialta pastor Reverend V Vanal chungan monument le biakin thar a honga biakina lutin in khom chunjom hal ani in khom hi upa arlal biak mwana kaushan secretary na kai shwaya hun masalama pukpui kaushan dina changa kaushan upa le rongbol tu ropui na rampanta te sona nein Reverend C chuntlangan rongbol na awanga lom thu soin chongchai na aneya upa arlal mingmoyan biakin thar sakdan report tlang pui ape Reverend ZD Roding Dianan Thucha Soin Pukpui Kaushan Standing Choir Baka Dula C Lel Than Chungile Dula LH Lel Du Zwaliten Zai Rongbol na an nebok Reverend R Lerem Siamaralte in Malsom Chong China in Khomakara in Khombana Kaushan Hoten Biak in Tharlom na Rai and Kil Hongal ani Pukpui kaushan hi kumsang khazakwa adin ni in tuna an biakin thar hi biakin pathum na ani in cheng noi somli pakwa bel seng asak ani a tuna hian kaushan member zaruk somriat vel anom meka he kaushan achang hian BCM Pukpui West member zanga somriat vel omna chu kumsang ni sompakwa khan anin dang to ani Pukpui kaushan hi kaushan hlun ani angin pastor le missionary baka evangelist engimozat an chwak to a an na chwak mek zel ani Zol Nuam Beng Pui Biakin Kang report Kim Chang Siamin Communications Department Thok Tu Te Zol Nuam a Ankal April ni Khan Communications Department Thok Tu Te Manager Audio Visual Production le Production Assistant te chu Zol Nuam Beng Pui Kang Chung Chang report Kim Chang Siamin Zan Khadrakin Zol Nuam Ankala an Thlenzan Hian Zol Nuam Bial the Pastor le Veng Pui Kaushan Shwai Tu Te Nen Rahman Siamin meeting nei ani a atuk in rinizing chingin biak in kandan le biak in sakchat tura an Rahman nei dante Kaushan meet the clear the turin video report siam ani a hemiral hian Zol Nuam Pastor Bial chunga Kaushan shang te tlo kwalin Kaushan din munzir chana nei ngal ani bok Zol Nuam Beng Pui Biakin Kangral Ta Hlut Song hi a chung bungrwa Nwai somni pathuma changa Nwai somni panga vele a building Nwai somnga changa Nwai somruk vele chut ani a Dun din muna Kaushan ho mamo zwal pui pushuk na na mimal Kaushan le tlom ngai po shang shang a changa chan pui na an kutalut to hi cheng Nwai sari a chuang to a bungrwa keyboard portable sound system guitar le sacrament no le tray baka tholom khon na te andonga thonpui na lolut khom achang hian biakin po engem chunga ta na in khom thei turin na tlangin siam ani a Good Friday zana chang khan anin khom chan vele thei tabok heti lai hian administrative department chuan twal chung ko shan shang shang a te ngin na siamin lunglei aizo le longtlaya BCM office a te chanpui na hi pek tur rahman ani Reverend H. Vanal Ratan and Hathar, Manager BCO Zomin Office Alwatan. Pastoral Department in Rahman Nasya Mangin, April Niruk Achang Khan, Reverend H. Vanal Ratatsuan and Hathar, Manager BCO Tsu Azom Filtaa, Anihi JBS Zirtir 2 Lecturer o Meg Ania, Heti Rualhian Bial the Pastor, Posting and Transfer in Hong Tamzok Tsuan, Anom Nathar Klingfil to in, Anom Namun Panakal Tura in Buat sa Imek Anambok. Ole khatizong khatun tuma BCM nong bona chanchin shang shang kan clear hoa kan ngai thak the chuan ni a clear tu te in the vai chunga lom thu kan soya